My name is Shelley Swallow. I am the manager of customer relations, copyright and trademark infringement for Beauty Blender. We are the creator and manufacturer of the original Beauty Blender and our portfolio of other cosmetic tools. We were founded in 2002 and we have about 160 employees right now. It's been such an incredible journey and fulfilling to be part of a small startup brand and experience its fast growth. To work for a company like this is so empowering. The brand is so unique because we were a category creator. We were finding that we were being misidentified with generic sponges. When we see counterfeits on the market, they're generally priced much lower when we have customers or new users who think they're getting a beauty blender for, a much cheaper price. When they call in and want to talk about that experience, it creates a challenge. We've been using RedPoints for almost a year. We're well over 16,000 listings that have been successfully taken down. My team and I could have never taken down 16,000 listings in this time. We could do a few a day. Most of the infringing listings that we see are on Facebook and Instagram. To see the volume, just the sheer volume on Facebook and Instagram alone, takes you back a little, where you're kind of a little stunned that that's all out there. And in meetings when I talk about how many listings we've taken down, people's eyes are, oh my goodness. The onboarding was extremely easy. We had an initial phone call to walk us through, and when we agreed, they sent me the link. We popped it up, they walked me through it on taking down the listings and selecting things and the different options on there. It was so easy. The advantages of the RedPoints platform is everything is right there. I know the listings, I know what platforms they're coming from, and I can focus, if I want to focus on Facebook or I want to focus on Instagram, I can do that day and kind of weed through those listings that way. We're not involving attorneys, there's no fees, there's no back and forth. I would recommend any company that's seeing those listings out there to dig a little deeper and really get a good look at what's out there and how it's impacting your business.